This is it, kiddo.
Haikal, sekarang tinggal lap terakhir.
Drive it in deep and hope it sticks.
Dan janganlah mengelak. Ayo.
McQueen's going inside. Chick and the King are loose. I think McQueen is out of the race. McQueen saved. He's back on the track.
Float like a
Oke,
Cadillac,
kemana
steam like a beamer.
Dan aku akan menjuarainya.
Lightning McQueen is going to win the Piston Cup.
Come on, you got it, Stickers.
I am not coming in
Dan tidak
behind
mau
you
dia
again,
yang
old man.
kecil. Sana.
Oh no.
Astagfirullah, Clara. Aku harus membantunya.
Yeah! Woo! I won, baby! Yeah!
What's he up to,
Anak itu melakukannya.
What are you doing, kid? I think the king should finish
Aku
his last
gak mau
race.
kamu keluar dari balapan.
You just gave up the piston cup. You know then? Ah, this grumpy old
Alah,
race
ingat
car no
kata
once told me
kontribel dahulu,
something.
aku cuma lihat piala kosong.
Daryl, is pushing on the last lap legal?
Hey, man, he's not really pushing him. He's just giving him a little bump draft. Hey, what? What's going on? That's what I call racing right there.
Bravo, el mio amigo.
Way to go, buddy.
There's a lot of love out there, you know, man.
Don't embarrass.
Apa itu tadi?
Kau lihat, mereka biarkan aku simpan roketnya.
Sampai jumpa di garis finish, kawan.
Jangan jika aku duluan.